Welcome to Wealth Vibes, where luxury meets lifestyle. Today, we take you inside the world's most jaw-dropping, expensive homes. We're talking multi-billion-dollar palaces, celebrity mega mansions, and private islands with gold-plated walls. From royalty in London to tech moguls in California and billionaires in Dubai, these homes are more than just places to live. They're monuments to power, wealth, and legacy. Let's dive into the top 10 most expensive homes in the world and who owns them. Located in the Hollywood Hills, this 53,000 square foot estate is truly a palace. It includes 12 bedrooms, 25 bathrooms, a private vineyard, and a full-scale ballroom. It even has a rotating dance floor. Originally owned by real estate mogul Jeff Green, this estate represents old money meets new luxury. Think Versace meets vineyards. Once listed for $500 million, this 100,000 square foot mega mansion sold for $210 million after bankruptcy auctions. The one has 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, a 30-car garage, a nightclub, and a private IMAX theater. Owned by fashion mogul Richard Sagian, CEO of Fashion Nova, it's the largest private residence in the U.S. He calls it a deal. We call it a kingdom. This is one of America's largest private homes, a 63-acre estate owned by billionaire investor Ira Rennert. It has 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, a power plant of its own, and a 91-foot dining room. Located in Sagaponack, New York, it's part mansion, part mega museum. Owned by Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison, this Japanese-inspired estate spans 23 acres. It features a man-made lake, koi ponds, and tea houses, all styled after feudal Japan. Ellison owns over $1 billion in real estate, but this estate is his crown jewel. Imagine a billionaire's Zen garden. With a zip code. Nicknamed Billionaire's Row, this mansion is owned by Indian steel magnate Lakshmi Mittal. It features Turkish baths, a 20-car garage, and interiors covered in marble imported from the same quarry used in the Taj Mahal. When asked about the price, Mittal replied, "It's a home, not an investment." That's billionaire talk. Known as the Bubble Palace, this futuristic home in the south of France was designed by Hungarian architect Antti Lovag. It includes 10 bedrooms, 3 swimming pools, and a 500-seat outdoor amphitheater. It was owned by late fashion designer Pierre Cardin. Picture the Jetsons, if they drank Dom Perignon. This 18,000 square foot mansion in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat was once owned by King Leopold II of Belgium. With 14 bedrooms, a ballroom, an Olympic pool, and 35 acres of gardens, this home redefines royal elegance. Current owner, Davide Campari Milano, S.p.A., the company behind Campari. Because when you sell spirits, you can live like a king. Built in 1902, this 50-acre estate was once owned by Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates and Lebanese banker Edmond Safra. With more than 80,000 lavender plants and 1,200 olive trees, it's more botanical palace than mansion. Rumor has it takes 50 full-time gardeners to maintain. No HOA required. The second most expensive home on earth belongs to Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries. Antilia is a 27-story skyscraper mansion, complete with 3 helipads, a snow room, a private theater, and a 168-car garage. It has over 600 full-time staff to maintain it. Some call it over the top. Others call it a personal vertical city. Either way, Antilia is unlike anything else on Earth. Technically the most expensive residential property on the planet, Buckingham Palace is home to the British royal family. It has 775 rooms, 78 bathrooms, a cinema, a swimming pool, and its own post office. Estimated value? Over $5 billion US. Owned by the Crown, not for sale, and definitely not on Airbnb. Why the ultra-rich buy these homes? They're not just places to live in, they're assets, investments, tax shelters. Luxury real estate beats inflation and builds legacy. Homes become symbols of status and generational power. Which one was your favorite? Would you live in a floating palace? or a 27-story skyscraper mansion? Subscribe to Wealth Vibes for cinematic luxury content every week. Like, comment, and share with someone who dreams big. Remember, luxury isn't just about money, it's about vision. See you in the next one.